Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to see the silent method of installation. Now, do remember that, as I told you earlier, there is no other method of installation. I was talking about some command line installation. There is no such installation for command line. It has been abandoned for this version of WebLogic 14c. So what we're going to see is the silent method of installation using the response file which we have exported earlier using the GUI installation. So now what we're going to do is like first remove the WebLogic. So to remove WebLogic, very simple. You're going to use the command rm-rf u01 apps Oracle folder, as well as u01 apps, as well as the Aura inventory folder as well. In the future, I will be moving the Aura inventory into the Oracle folder itself. I have updated the coding on the document section as well, so you can go and refer that. So this move can be updated on the response file as well. So if you just go to my home folder and then open the file, which is a response GUI file, in there you will have a parameter of Aura inventory as well. So okay, so it has the WebLogic home directory, as you can see over here. I'm looking for the Aura inventory. Okay, we're gonna put it as part of another file. That sounds good. So now you need to create another file called, you can name it as anything. So I would like to name it as Aura inst.loc. So this is basically where you're gonna put your Aura inventory file. And this is basically what I'm gonna copy from the document of yours, which you can use it. So it's in the name of command line or silent installation. So it's just gonna have this tag over here, so which I'm inserting here. So you can access this in the GitHub. So this is basically your Oracle inventory location, and the user INST group is WLS. So this is what we are going to give it as part of this file. So I'm updating the document as well. So save and quit this file. So this is basically what we are saying is like, this is our Aura inventory location, and this is our group name. So this is the file. I've kept it in my home folder. So that tilde symbol tells you that that's my home folder. And the response file is already there. Response GUI file is already there. So we don't have to worry about it. The next step is to run a command which compresses of all these things. So for example, Java. Here I have to give jar, same command, opt dump fusion middleware. So now I'm in my home folder. As you can see, tilde symbol says that I'm in my home folder. So I'm calling that file remotely using this complete path or absolute path. And I'm giving a parameter over here, silent. And I'm also giving another parameter, response file. If you don't know the parameter, you can give -help. And this will tell you all the possible parameters which you can combine. You can see the response file. You can see the silent here if you want to enable debug mode in case if there is an issue with your deployment. So you can do that. And this is your pointer file location, which is basically inventory pointer. And this is install option. Normally we don't give it. Basically it is install. And then here the record option, in case if you want to record a response file out of it, so you can give this record with destination file with a path, and it will record. Likewise, you will get that all information over here in the help command. And not just this one instance, every command which we are executing or going to execute are part of WebLogic. You will obviously have a help index for it, and you can always execute the help index and understand what are the other options available. That's one best way of learning in any technology for that matter. So here I'm giving response file, and it's in my home directory, response-GUI. And here I have to give -inv-ptrloc. So this is your inventory pointer location. This is where you can mention where you want your inventory to be. Give the location of this file, which is aura inst.loc. So this is the complete command which you are planning to execute, and this will be the command which is going to install without asking for your opinion, because where all these items will be taken, what we have earlierly discussed, it will be all taken from the your response GUI file. Your response GUI file will have complete items, like for example, this is WebLogic engine. What is the response file version? So we have declined the auto updates. We are not given any of the username, password, or the proxy details, you remember. And here is the Oracle Home path, where you're going to install Oracle Home. And what installation type, as in like what is chosen as part of installation, is complete with examples. So apart from that, we have not given or configured any of those items. So we're just gonna go with this and execute this command and get that installed. So let's go ahead, execute it, see what happens. So here it is throwing invalid options in IN. Okay. The typo here. And this is inventory INV rather than that one. So now when we corrected the syntax, it is working fine. It is getting that downloaded. Now it is also showing you the percentage of installation, how much percentage it has completed. 50% is completed. Let's just hold on for a couple of, just a minute. I think under a minute it should be completed. Now do remember, this is the command. I've copy pasted the command on your GitHub as well. So it's easy for you to now just run the command. Now your installation has been completed, 100% done. So now you have WebLogic installed in U01, apps, Oracle, and then you have middleware, Oracle Home. Inside that, you have the WebLogic server with samples and everything else for you to work with. But that's just on the next video, we will work with other stuff on how we're going to work with, domains, and we're going to understand domains first, and then we will create a development domain. Sorry about that, a development domain, and then we'll work with the development domain, and then we will go create a cluster domain. Thank you again for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.